name is Raman and welcome to the series of Moving to Germany. So first let's talk about myself. I have received admit in an University Hochschule Anhalt for the course Molecular Biotechnology. My education background, I have done B Pharma in 2019 and 2-year job experience as well. 3 major internships, 1 major project and IELTS score 6.5. So today I am coming here for a shopping for the luggage items. After reach the home I will show you what items I am carrying with me. Good morning to you all. Today I am coming on the top of my building. Reason for wake up this early morning is today is my appointment scheduled for visa D-stamping. I'm carrying a set of original papers of documents as well as the one set of documents which is required in the visa D-stamping appointment. I will go first Lakshmi Nagar metro station and from Lakshmi Nagar metro station to be reach the Rajiv Chowk metro station and from Rajiv Chowk metro station to be walk around for few minutes to be reach the VFS office. Finally guys, I'm in my home and now I'm going to show you about the visa process timeline, when was my visa appointment and from visa appointment to the visa stamping, the whole process. Guys, I write the whole timeline process for you in a paper. My city is Kothan and my visa appointment was 1st September. The document received to embassy on 9 September. The VFS New Delhi has sent the document on the immigration office on embassy on 9 September and then they send embassy my documents to the immigration office hard copy on 22 September and the approval mail from the immigration office I received on the 4th October from Germany and which mentioned the process is completed, and after that I get the mail from the embassy New Delhi on the 7th October. On the same day I have done my stamping, courier passport stamp. It takes around 1 week, so it will come in maybe on 14th October.
ये ना लिख लेना एक साइड, कल ये लाके इसमें डाल दूंगी।
लिखना है इसमें,
तू लिख लेना, ले पेन पकड़। कोल्ड क्रीम, लिक्विड स्पून,
बस So guys, the day has come which I have been eagerly waiting and I want to tell you all that today I am moving to Germany. So I want to tell you all that today my flight from Indira Gandhi airport and I have to be take a switch from Bangalore. So first I have to be go Delhi Indira Gandhi airport, then Delhi airport to take the flight for the Bangalore and then from Bangalore to be go Frankfurt.
विदेश जाते समय भगवान की कृपा हो और सही सलामत यहाँ से जाकर के वहाँ पर जो है स्थानांतरण करें। धन्यवाद।
बढ़िया से पढ़े लिखो, अपना अच्छे से जाओ, अपना अच्छे से सारा काम करके आओ, घर वालों का और अपने सब रिलेटिव का नाम रोशन करो अपना अच्छे से, और जैसे जा रहे हो कुशल मंगल अपना बढ़िया से अपना पूरा अपना करके अपना वापस आओ बढ़िया से।
मुझे बहुत खुशी है, मेरा बेटा जर्मनी विदेश पढ़ने गया हुआ है और ठाकुर जी उसकी हर इच्छाएं पूरी करें।
standing in a line where my all the luggage item will be checked, as well as the enrollment letter and other documents will also be seen.
Passengers in the business class will be requesting
My luggage and baggage item, and now I'm moving forward to the Bangalore. So I have reached the Bangalore airport, and now I have to be leave for the Frankfurt airport. So finally I have arrived in Germany, and now I'm going to for the baggage claims. Now I'm gonna show you the university building from the front. So it's been a week since I came to the Germany, and now I'm going to share with you my experience, what I felt during this time. The beginning you will feel quite strange. A lot of things will happen with you is you never thought. But time to time the things will become change, and you will feel quite good. You have come a long way and completely a new place. So definitely in the beginning you may not feel well. Gradually you will start feeling everything right there. It's been a month since I came to the Germany, and now I'm going to tell you what all I did till now. First, I have done my rental agreement because it is necessary for the city registration. After getting the city registration, I have opened my bank account, and then after the bank account I have start my health insurance through activation by the Expectrium. So these are all the things you have to be do when you come to the Germany. I want to say those watch this video and wants to come here, the journey from start to prepare for coming in after coming to the Germany, it will give you a lots of lessons. Definitely you learn a lot of things. You learn the patience, you discover the new things, improve your communications, and a lots of things will happen with you. And when you see the back, you will see that what I am before and now what I am.
Say hi.